To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here.
Unlock the sensor by pulling the red tab backwards. Pinch the center and pull outwards to remove it.
Disengage the sensor wires from their catch. Use either a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the wire harness.
Reinstall the sensor and lock it into place.
Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.